Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word independence. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After years of hard work and determination, she finally achieved financial independence. Independence refers to the state of being self-reliant and free from external control or influence, capable of making decisions and living autonomously. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.